Today we got 5 items that you can buy with this 30% off coupon. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, I actually recorded this this video before this coupon came out, so just disregard if I say anything that the previous there's no coupon right now. Anyways, we're gonna be going over this coupon and we're gonna get going over the items that I got. We got PO here, Harbor Freight tools, quality to low, ridiculous low prices. Super coupon here on the top, and then we got 30% off any item under $10 and limit 5. So this is pretty much like the old ones we've seen before. So limit 5, and I just did 5 today. I do have other videos you guys could check out if you guys want to do. If you guys want to look at other 5 items, I do have like 2 or 3, like 3 more. So I'll see if I can link them up above. If not, then just put 2, have 1 for 7. 5 items you could get with the 30% off coupon. And it is valid through 1/26/20. So currently valid now. You got coupon code in case you guys need it, can't read it. You got 209878280002. So 3 zeros at the end. All right, yeah. Let's go ahead and get started with the regular video that I recorded. The first item that we have is this SAE and metric Pittsburgh 36-piece hex key set. It's item number 62. Yeah, sorry about my hand, guys. I know I just scratched myself. I was working on the vehicle and I scratched myself right there, so no worries. 62171, so that is the item number. We got SAE and metric. I'm not gonna go over in detail of these, but yeah, got a whole bunch of L wrenches here, or hex keys, and I needed something like this, 'cause sometimes I do have some hex keys, but I don't have all of them. I start losing here and there, and pretty soon, I just needed something to keep them together. So this is definitely a great item to have, just for emergency. I wanted to actually wanted something for the drill, but this will work fine for now. So I'll set this aside over here. All right, the second item that we have is something that we need for the vehicle, because these go down a lot. If you're in a vehicle and your radio goes out, or your lights, your interior lights go out or something like that, and you don't know what it is, and the first thing you check is the fuse. So we got some fuses here, and I do have a Ford Ranger and a Chevy Silverado and a Kia Optima, and sometimes the fuses, the cigarette lighter, when you plug it in, they go away. And I go to AutoZone and buy just 1 fuse or a pack of 2 fuses, and it's like super expensive just for 2 fuses. So why not just grab a kit with all the fuses in there and get it at the discount, obviously, because I got this with the 30% off coupon. And it does come with 10 pieces, so 60 pieces total. 10 5 amp, 10 amp, 10 15 amp, 10 20 amp, and 10 25 amp, and finally 10 30 amp. So it includes all these. That is the back. Item number, let's see here, we got an item number in this thing. Maybe this 36972 or 402019, and it tells you right there which one's what. Tells you 10 pieces there if you see the back, but yeah, you got all sorts of and these are the little ones. I know the modern cars have the little ones, the older cars have the bigger ones. These are the small ones. As you guys can see there, my fingers right there, so pretty small. Alright, that's the second item. And then the next item that we have is one of the newer items that we recently got at Harbor Freight. We just had this, it's actually a clamp. It's a Broom clamp. This is one of the newer items that they have. It's a ratcheting clamp. Obviously, let me see if we can demonstrate here for you. See? Oh, let's see if we can. Alright. So it makes it a little, it's not really a super heavy duty clamp, but it works. You know, I removed the tag already because I already used this once. I actually used this on my vehicle. So I was working on my vehicle. But yeah, this is the release. It's like a see, pretty simple. So it's a really nice clamp. It's heavy. It looks like pretty well built. Plastic seems to be very strong. But yeah, it's a Bremen clamp here. It's nice. The blue part is rubber. It's really nice rubber grip. You get a lot of grip with this. Feels actually soft when you press it down. And this is the release lever, this way. And it's self-adjustable, so I guess you can just adjust it with this thing. So self-adjusting, and then these are, you know, you can angle them like if you got, you know, if you're gonna be doing something like this, clamping something in an angle, you can clamp it at an angle, or you can do 90 degrees, or you could go like that, you know, if it's gonna be in an angle like that, or so forth. So really nice little clamp to have. Sorry, really nice little clamp to have, especially for under 10 bucks. This is the bigger one. They do have a smaller one and a bigger one, so really nice little clamp here. So I'll leave that there. All right, the next item that I got, I don't know if I gotten this on my previous 5-item video or not, but I use these all the time, so I just went ahead and got them again because I'm running low on these. And I use these. People use, you know, you can use them for cleaning inside the house, cleaning your TV, your computer, or even washing your truck or your car outside, and even pretty much anything you can clean with these. And these are the microcloth towels, pack of 12. These are the bigger ones. These are not the free ones that you get. These are pretty big. Let's see here. If we got item number 63359. It's 16 by 16 premium. So these are microfiber towels, the bigger ones. Just thought I get some more because I needed some more for the house, and for cleaning the trucks. I have a big truck, so I clean my trucks all the time. And these are washable, I believe. I haven't washed them. I haven't washed the old ones. I'm just waiting to get more, you know, in a bundle, so I can throw all of them in the washer. And I'll let you guys know if these come apart in the washer. All you have to do is just wash them in delicate anyways. So, but yeah, that's the other item. Another item, it's a newer item that we got from Harbor Freight. We recently got this, I would say about a month ago, on the stores, maybe a little bit less, about 3 weeks. And it's another flashlight from Braun. I don't know if I'm in the frame here, but yeah, but this is flexible. Let me see if we can flex it. This is the Braun flexible LED work lights. It's 56, item number 56256, 110 lumen, high-low modes. It includes three AAA batteries, up to 6 hours of runtime, both high and low modes. It says hook allow for multiple mounting options. You know what, guys? I'm not worried. I used to be worried about these lights that have the AAA battery and the AA batteries. I'm not worried about that anymore because Harbor Freight does have the premium brand, that the Blue Thunderbolt battery, and those batteries are a little higher quality than the yellow ones and the orange ones. So I'm not worried, and they are cheap. You get a pack of, when they go on sale, you get a pack of like 18 or 20 for like $5. And like I said, I'm not worried about these. because I could just stick fresh batteries and really cheap. So and then you have the LED there, and that's the back. And I will be doing a bit more in-depth video on this light, on this light. So stay tuned for that. I will be doing some tests and turning it off and on, and testing out the magnets and stuff. But yeah, these are my 5 items to get with the 30% off coupon. Like I said, this is probably the 3rd video. If you guys want to watch more videos like this, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe, and let me know that this is the you know, with the likes, let me know that this is the type of video that you guys like. I do have more 5 items to get with 30% off coupon. I'll see if I can link them up above. If not, then just put Toolhead 147 5 items or 30% off coupon, and all my 5 item videos will pop up. This is like the 3rd or 4th video. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.